So I made this window. The only problem is water got in it, and the slider's just got a bit stiff, and I tried waxing it, and then every time I put a screw in there to screw it down, it makes it really tight to turn. So I've got myself a window. My friend gave me for next to nothing, so for now I'm going to put this in, just so at least I can get a window in, and I think about on a later date possibly redo that window, but for now I'm just going to get a proper window in there, and it was worth a try. They got all this timber. Got a load of 6x2s or 8x2s, I think they are. No, the 9x2s. Gonna be using all these thick ones here, all these 9x2s for one of the walls, and I've got a whole load of floorboards as well, the thinner ones. They've come out of a very old building, so I imagine they're quite old, at least 100 years old. I know the softwoods, and it's probably not the best thing to use, but it was free. So what I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to be doing this. I'm going to be cladding one of my walls with this. I've just cut a 30 degree angle on it, and the next one's also going to have one on. So at least any water that does drip down is not going to go in, it'll drip down. Any water that drips down the face, well, obviously it won't go down the back of it. So I'm going to do that on one wall. I'm going to do something else on this wall. I need to figure it out, but you can see here what I've done. Cut angle on one end there, at the bottom. Another angle on top, so they'll sit together. So I'm just going to cut some now. Pull some nails out. See how many nails I just went through. When cutting old timbers, never use a good saw. Never use a good saw. But it's done a nice cut. That's the angle. Got these 6-inch galvanized nails. See how easy those go in. So basically I've made a 70mm, a bit shorter in the middle here, but a 70mm overhang, so when I put my live grass, the trays have somewhere to go against, and I'll waterproof it up there. So as you can see, all these cladding, it's actually just old floorboards. They're like from a very old building, so I imagine they're probably about, you know, 180 to 100 years old. Got a whole pile of them here. I know they're probably not the most waterproof thing, but they're free, so I don't care if it's free. I'm taking it, you know. Saves me buying stuff unnecessarily. Those are the joists and those are the floorboards. I just did them a bit differently. We'll see how it goes. The main thing is it looks alright. I just need to get a door on there. So one thing I didn't really like on this is I've just used this 3x2 on the corner just to cap off the corner. It looks disgusting. It doesn't suit. It's a bit too white for a nice brown, dark, old timbers. A bit too clean. Besides the fact that it'll rot in 2 seconds because it's not even treated. I know that the cladding's also not treated, but that's very old. So I'm hoping that makes a difference. Either way, I'll change that in a later date. No, it's not a problem. So that's my 2 outside walls cladded. I'm going to leave the back 2 walls to a later date when I don't know when. I just wanted to get the front looking a bit nicer because it's just putting me off looking at it every time. So I've got the window in. I've got these 2 walls cladded. Next I just need to make a little bit of a porch coming over the door there, and a bit of a lip going over the window, and do the roof. That's my next job, my next video. I know it's been taking me a lot of time this, but it's been an interesting year. Been a very busy, interesting year, so I've just not really had any time. You see, this isn't my full-time job. But I hope you've been watching, and if you have, please consider subscribing, and catch you on the next one.